Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I am so late with my videos. Listen, it has been crazy around here, but I am here nonetheless to plan the week of January the 13th through the 18th, and it has been interesting here around the state of Alabama. We had a snow day last week. My area didn't get any snow. Boo. There is some snow maybe coming, not real sure, but yeah. So we're planning this week, and this week is my sorority's Founders Day week, which is Thursday. So I'm going to be using these stickers from Wrong Wrong that I've had forever. So yes, let me show you what I did halfway do last week. This was it. This was it. And then here is the week before. Again, yeah, life has been crazy. Hopefully it'll slow down just a little bit. Now, if you remember from my Sterling ink haul, this is my EDC, which means this is my planner. My my family, or the rest of my family, has a different planner that I will plan in, that I'm, doing plans in. If you want to see that, let me know, and I will most definitely, make a video and get that out to you guys. But yeah, so I'm going to be using my clean dot marker in gray. I think this is gray platinum, and then my Tombow 535. Again, these are sorority stickers from Wrong Wrong, and let me grab my washi bag. I have more washi than this. This is just what I use on a regular. And let's see if I can find. Nope. I don't want it to take away from either. Honestly, I don't want to use any washi. So we're not. We're not. So today is Tuesday. Sorry, you guys. Today is Tuesday, but yeah, I had an appointment yesterday, and I'm just putting down dots that I know that I need to fill in, and I'm going to be also using my fountain pen, my Kaweco Sport in Mint, and it is inked with Robert Oster Gray Seas. I've had this inked since the summer, and it is almost done, and it's like a very subtle blue ink. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just use it. So I had an appointment yesterday that I went to. I did go to the gym at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I go in the mornings because if I wait until I go after work, I'm not going. I'm gonna be real. I'm not going. So let's see. This is my nail appointment. Okay, and then Thursday I have, let's see, Trey's therapy. He has occupational and speech therapy, and I'm glad they're on the same day because we have to travel an hour to get to the facility. Let's see, Friday, what do I have going on Friday? I have something going on Friday. I just don't remember what it is just yet. Saturday, we are going to take the kids to Dave & Buster's. They don't know that yet, and they don't watch my videos. So, but they are going to Dave & Buster's. So we're gonna go there, and then I gotta hit up Sephora, and then we're gonna go to Costco. Okay, and then Sunday, of course, is church. And then, let's see, this is where I do my meal prep, Sunday reset. I'm going to be doing laundry in the bathrooms, living, kitchen. I'm going to get Nehemiah to do the garage Friday evening when he gets out of school, because we're getting up early Saturday morning to go. So this is laundry. And some of this stuff will be repeated in the family planner, and it's okay. So laundry, this is bathrooms. This is just for me. And then NJ garage. We're finally getting our garage intact. We have these totes that we bought from Lowe's, and I'm having someone build us a shelf of 5 by 6, but with 30. 5 rows up, 6 rows across, and we're going to be putting all of our stuff in those bins. So my husband and my son, they're actually going in every week, and we're just going through different things. Throw away, keep. Throw away, keep. So yeah, that's the dynamic of that. I know what it is. The boys are getting haircuts. Which my son and my baby boy, they use a different barber. But NJ is getting his haircut tomorrow. And this is just so I can remind myself. So let's see. And this is Zeta Phi Beta's Founders Day. And I'm trying to draw this in as best as I can. 105 years. All right, so that is it so far. And of course I will go through and put all of my to-dos on this side. So this is gonna be a real quick plan with me. So I am going to use her throwing up our hand signal. Do I want to put her here? I think I want to put her here. She's beautiful. Yes. And then I like her, so I'm going to put her here. And then I'm going to use her with our founding year right here, 1920. And then I want to use this sticker that says sisterhood is forever. I think I want to put it right here. Perfect. I don't know if she still sells these in her shop, but I do remember her putting them out one time, and I bought like 5 or 6 of them. So don't be surprised if you see these year after year. Let's see over here. I want to put in a to-do list. So I'm just going, or a, because I'm not putting my habits in here. I put those in my fitness and mental health journal. Let's see here. Upcoming. That is definitely blue. Not the same blue, but it's okay. We're gonna roll with it. We're going to roll with it. I'm just gonna grab this Tombow marker here, if I can find it. Here. And I'm just gonna write upcoming right here. Okay. And then, let's see. I don't have a whole lot of washi. I was actually looking for my grid washi, but I couldn't find it, so it's gonna be okay. What else do I want to put down here? I have my nail appointment, NJ's haircut. Let's see. I really think that is it. You guys, that's just the basic plan with me for today. Sorry it was quick, all over the place, not as chatty as I normally am, but again, I knew this was going to be really quick because today is Tuesday and I missed almost half of January. So please forgive me. I'll have to go back in and fill in my daily pages because I definitely want to keep up with those. But yeah, other than that, you guys, that is it. Again, sorry, so short. These are things that, you know, that's just in my planner. You know, things I need to remind myself of, all of my appointments, daily to-dos. So, yeah, but that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me. Happy Founders Day to my sorors of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. Also, happy Founders Day to the ladies of Delta Sigma Theta, which their Founders Day is was on the 13th. And then the lovely ladies of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, their Founders Day is on the 15th. And a special shout out to my two nieces who are Alpha Kappa Alphas. So yes, you guys, thank you all so much. And in the meantime, in between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Ideal, but it's economical. Now, this is my favorite car lot. It's not sponsored. It's me just literally looking around. I bought a